Oakview friends, today we are going to learn about theme and variation. I have my wonderful assistant Courtney here to help. Theme and variation. I want you to think about a theme, ladies and gents. I want you to think about the theme of cookies. Chocolate chip cookies, to be exact. That's my theme. Now, if I vary something, if I change something, I keep the basic recipe, but I'm just going to tweak one ingredient. I think instead of chocolate chips, I'm putting in M&Ms. Or maybe I will put in butterscotch chips and give them to a friend because I'm not crazy about butterscotch chips. Or maybe, what if we put in cocoa and had chocolate chip cookies? That would be a magnificent variation. If you're not a chocolate fan, maybe you would want to put in some other kind of a chip instead of white chocolate chips. That might work too. Or maybe you're not a cookie fan. Maybe you like pasta. I know Courtney loves pasta. If the theme is pasta, maybe we could have variations like macaroni, spaghetti, fettuccine, angel hair, linguine, all different types of pasta. I'm keeping the same basic recipe, but I'm tweaking one little thing. This is a technique that a lot of composers enjoy using. So today we're just gonna mess with that a little bit. I've got an 8-beat pattern for you. Beat 1, you're gonna pat your lap. 1. Beat 2 is a clap. Beat 3 is my right hand to my partner's right hand. Beat 4 is a clap. 5 is left hand to left hand with your partner. 6 is a clap. 7 is both hands. And then beat 8 is clap. So the even numbers are always a clap. So it's lap, 2, right, 4, left, 6, both, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That is our theme today. And then I'm going to do a little variation on that. And then Courtney's going to teach us her variation. My variation is super easy. Take one hand and pat twice. Use your opposite hand and snap twice. And now that hand's going to pat twice. And the opposite hand is going to snap twice. So pat, pat, snap, snap, pat, pat, snap, snap. If you need to pause and practice my amazing variation, I understand. Courtney, what's your variation going to be? Pat, 2, clap, 2, pat, 2, snap, 2. Oh, Courtney, I like the repetition in that. It's going to make it really easy to remember. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So now you've got the theme. Hopefully you remember the theme. You've got my variation number 1, and then we've got Courtney's variation number 2. Now I'm going to add a little music with that. You'll find the music linked right there in my blog, but I have to pull it up off of my device, and hopefully you'll be able to hear it a little bit. So we'll start with the theme. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We do it 4 times. This is 3. This is 4. Now it's time for variation number 1. Pat, pat, other snap. We do it 4 times. Other snap. This is 3. Pat, pat, and 4. Time for Courtney's variation. Pat, 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 pat. Time 2. It's hard to keep it steady. Keep on working at it. Now, what's your variation, friends? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Did it make sense? If not, you might have to try it a couple more times. I'm going to go back to the music ones, and I just want you to hear the theme. Notice how the theme is pretty simple. Exact same theme. Exact same theme. Ooh, there's a variation, isn't it? Do you hear how the left hand bump, 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 lower notes are moving kind of quickly there? And that is a theme and variation. It goes on, I think there's almost 15 variations. Give it a listen. Maybe you'll like the sound of Handel, I'm not sure. Theme and variation. Fifth graders, we should be doing this in the music room right now with some really crazy fun activities. Fourth graders, sometimes we get to theme and variation in the spring. Third graders, this is a bonus. We almost never get to theme and variation in the spring of third grade. Take care, my friends. Theme and variation. Practice a couple times. Check in with me. Let me know how it goes. Bye.